The fridge you trust today nearly didn't exist, born from a stubborn problem scientists faced in the early 20th century. In the 1930s, engineers explored sealed cooling cycles that cut frost and wasted energy, turning iceboxes into dependable appliances. Post-war designs added thermostats, shelves, and timers, transforming cold storage into a reliable, everyday essential with real-world impact. The real leap came when mass production, plastics, and better seals joined forces in the 1960s to scale quality and affordability. Today, smart fridges monitor freshness, connect to apps, and quietly guide our meals.